This is Indonesian flour.
Malinis.
Malinis flour. What are the mixes? Pork, belly, long green beans, coconut milk,
Shredded.
and shredded one. What else?
Pork.
What is this now? Wait. Spices. Lime, lemon, galangal, red chili, onion, garlic, and shredded coconut.